Wealth is a manifestation of power. Power comes from unity. Our mission, to help your community realize its full potential. Let's build pyramids, again. If 10,000 people who are members of the same community, village, diaspora, profession, commit to contributing $1 each for each member's death, so they will collect a solidarity basket of $10,000 each time, to fund repatriation, burial and funerals. If 10,000 people commit to donating $1 each month to their community, then they will have an annual budget of $120,000 to fund social projects related to education, health, sanitation and electrification. If the 10,000 people commit to investing $10 each month in their community, then they will raise an annual capital of $1,200,000 to finance investment projects in the areas of agriculture, livestock, small industry and shopping centers. It is a virtuous circle in which community money stays in the community and is used to finance solidarity services, social projects and investments for the benefit of community members. nTembu, let's build pyramids, again.
In this video you are going to learn how to add a member to an institution. First, the person in charge of the institution must log in to the nTembu platform using the institution's email address as the username and the password. Next, go to the Members tab. Then, click on the New Member button to enter the member's information. I will not upload a photo, but you can add one if you wish. I will start by entering the first name of the person I want to add. Then, I will enter their email. Next, I will enter their place of birth. Normally, I would assign a responsible person to classify members by their representative, but since this is the first member, this is not possible. So next, enter the place of residence, that is, where the person currently lives. Now, enter their last name. Also, enter the phone number if available so they can be contacted if needed. The date of birth is very important, so make sure to enter it correctly. The relationship field is not mandatory, but it allows you to establish the connection between the new member and an existing member in the institution, for example, mother, sister, son, etc. Finally, the last step is to provide your address. Save everything by clicking the Save button. And there you go, you have just added a member. Once added, the member can join solidarity services, support social projects, or invest in their institution's pyramid projects.